actually quite collective. I used I always seem to forget that I've got eye makeup and then I scratch or itch and it just goes everywhere. Such a bad habit. Very, very bad habit. It's like a bluey sort of eyeliner. Okay. I've really done the thing. Really, really proud. And I will be back tomorrow. I've done a good stretch, which means that I should be fine to work out tomorrow. So my reward is going to be some sewing time. Oh, I used 10 kilos for everything I did today. I must say I didn't push myself to the max. And tomorrow is supposed to be, it says day 2 upper body strength, and that's my favorite part, so I should be fine tomorrow as long as this stretch doesn't get me hurting. Well, I think the stretch has been good because it's I don't feel any aches. I know I didn't this is not my maximum output, so I think tomorrow I'll work harder, but you know, some days are going to be 100% and some days will be 70%, some days 50%, some days 10%, but what matters is giving it your all and just knowing that you've done the best that you can. sleeveless dress is it's a McCall sewing pattern. That part I know. I don't remember what code it was, and it was made for Love Sewing magazine, I believe, years and years ago. I have saved it and I've looked after it so well. It's like it goes all the way buttoned down. This isn't denim, but it has a denim effect. I would say it's more of a cotton, like a thick cotton fabric, and yeah, I like the contrast. So it goes lighter on this side. It's got pockets and it's quite long, so I'm gonna wear this tomorrow, weather permitting. Well, yeah, I will wear it with a cardigan. Definitely wearing this with a cardigan. And then when it gets warmer, I'll take the cardigan off and like have it around my neck. And that's the plan for tomorrow. Better iron this now before I go to bed. I really need to, do you know what I'm thinking? I need to get more organized, whereby on a Sunday, I used to do this in the past, where on a Sunday I would have all the things I'm going to wear during the week out, have them ironed, ready to go. But I've just been really lazy. Not only that, actually, in my defense, the weather has been really, it's not been very predictable. Well, it's not been easy to like predict, or it's not been easy. No, what's the word? The weather hasn't been like consistent, and whatever you see on a Sunday would change by like Wednesday, Thursday. So I've just been playing it based on the day. But I've looked at tomorrow's weather and it's looking like 21 degrees Celsius. Anyway. So I've been meaning to say something about this dressing gown, this robe. It's by a small business. Well, she's not small anymore. Like, it's called Kai Collective, and she's a young Nigerian lady who has a fashion brand, and yes, it's called the Gaia robe. And I've been waiting for the green version to come out in my size, because I really want. Actually, I wanted the green one, but I really love the color of this one now. And this was bought as a result of, you know, me not finding the color that I wanted, but actually really pleased about this purchase. If I find a fabric like this, like a marbly type of fabric like this, I am definitely going to make myself a robe. I love it. need to undo the stitches there. There's actually a pocket. Oh, there we go. Pockets.